the new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Stop.
Good morning, people. So we're gonna do another day in the life video, and this one starts early because Juicy has decided to go back to school. So let's get this day started. Juicy, get up. Go ahead and get up and get dressed. You want some waffles or something? Right on time. Yep. Bye.
It's already 4 a.m.
So, judging from the last time that I did a video like this, you guys are feeling them, okay? Y'all like them. Y'all think they cool or whatever. So, I decided to do another day in the life of video. So, obviously right now it is super early in the morning. I just took my son to the bus stop for school, and well, me and Journey Brown did because child, she was already up. So yeah, I already took my son to the bus stop for school, and now I'm back home. Okay, so it is currently 6:58 a.m. Still too early because I do have to go to work today later on. So what I'm gonna do now is get back in the bed. Then Journey has class at 10. So right now what I'm gonna do is get my butt back in this bed, go to sleep until about 9:30. So I let Google know, honey, I need you to wake me up at about, well, let's say 9:15. Hey Google, set my alarm for 9:15.
9:15 a.m. set.
And then I get my butt back in the bed. Okay, so I did decide that I might as well just go ahead, get up, wash my face, honey, okay, and get ready to get this day started. So I'm gonna wash this face, honey, and brush my teeth. Yeah, I did. I took Juice to the bus stop, brush stinking and all that good stuff, but we're gonna fix that problem right now. Okay, we're gonna do it right now.
Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do.
Okay, y'all, so the next thing that I do after getting myself together and kind of waking myself up, I like to make myself a smoothie. Now I have been trying to be on keto, and I say trying to be because I usually would like to do a strawberry avocado smoothie, but I don't have no more strawberries, so I've been having to use blueberries, and blueberries have a lot of carbs in them, if I'm not mistaken. You should only eat like a few of them, and it's basically the same with the strawberries, but with the blueberries I have to use them more. So, but nevertheless, I'm gonna do it because I put my shmoo in these smoothies. And shout out to the subby that told me about the smooth. I love it. So far so good, especially like just with my energy and just overall me. So yeah, I'm gonna make this smoothie, and then I'm gonna answer some emails and stuff, and then we'll be getting ready for Journey's class. Honey, I'm telling you, it ain't no joke. Okay, it ain't no joke.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be and you. We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like.
Okay, so lately I've been I got this Zen as book right here, and it's just something to like basically help. It literally says a journal for practicing the mindful art of not giving a poot. Okay, and that is where I am trying to get in life, just Zen. So yeah, I've been actually doing this and been trying to do like at least 30 minutes a day of this, so that's what I'm about to do now.
Flowers through the concrete, just you and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side.
So now I need to get Journey Brown up, okay, because she done went back to sleep. Journey Brown, you want waffles or do you want cereal?
I want waffles.
Okay. Get up, wash your face, baby. It's almost time for class. Waffles it is, honey. Don't you judge me, honey. I told you guys in my last video like this that on my work days, you ain't getting no hot breakfast, okay? It's not hot where it's hot, but it's easy. So don't you judge me.
Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go.
That's scratching.
I told you it was a scratch on your forehead. Remember I told you that yesterday?
Now I'm gonna look no pretty.
You gorgeous.
What? They're gonna see the scratch on my face.
And you're still pretty.
Hi, Journey. How are you?
Good.
Hi, Journey. Good. Good, good. All right, good to see you today. We get you over to our slides, and we'll wait for a couple minutes for the other students to come along and get in.
Okay, so the next thing that I need to do is film this video. Now see, yesterday I actually put it on last night because I was going to film it last night, but then time just got the best of me, so I just put the unit on. But and I slept in it, and then today I am going to do the whole video. So that's what I am about to do now. I'm finna finish up this hair because it's looking crazy right now, but trust me, it's gonna come together, okay girl? I'm gonna go ahead and do this video, and then I don't know what's next. I don't know. But Journey is done with class. She is now in there watching TV while I get this video done, and yeah, that's what's going on now. Okay y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Unice Hair. Shout out to you, Unice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am wearing is there. Okay, so now I need to take some pictures, okay? Some full body pictures if I can get some. For full body pictures, I do use my phone, and I have like a little phone tripod type thing. Come on in, baby, since you are determined to come in.
Cause baby, I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain. Got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain.
Okay, so now that that is done, Journey wants lunch. Okay, so yesterday I actually made chicken and rice, and I do have leftovers, so that's gonna be lunch today. And I am going to have a salad for lunch. So
A salad.
that's what's next. A salad.
That's a salad.
Just a salad.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense.
Okay, so at this point it is almost time to get Juicy off the bus, but in the meantime I'm gonna go ahead and go into Journey's very, very messy room, I may add. Very messy. And pack her book bag because she is going to her grandmother's house. Juicy is going to go stay with my grandmother. Yes, she's going to Mimi's house, and I'll pick her and him up in the morning. Change of scenery, honey, okay? Change of scenery for them. So yeah, she had some stuff that I kind of wanted her to go over, so I am getting this stuff together to put in her binder right here, and her grandparents are gonna kind of go over it with her from tonight, and then, you know, she'll have class again tomorrow. Just a few things. So yeah, let me do that. Okay, so we finna get in the car and go get Juicy from the bus stop.
Yep. And I'm gonna go to Mimi's house.
Not yet.
When Daddy gets here.
Why?
Because I'll push the down button when Daddy gets here.
Okay.
I'm just gonna hold on for it to get.
Oh, yeah, I feel very, very lethargic. So when we get back, I'm probably gonna, because I'm not gonna leave out till around 4:30.
There's the bus stop.
I'm not gonna leave out till 4:30, so I need to take a little nap. So I'm not gonna put a nap in here, but that is gonna be, I'm gonna get an hour nap because I do have to work 12 hours after this.
I can see the DJ. A lot of people are going to get out of the bus. Hey, Mom.
Hey, baby.
Woo.
To the vlog, hey.
Hello.
Well, it's not necessarily a vlog. This is a day in the life of. Sit.
Are you already going to TTS?
Mm.
If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend.
Okay, so now I am on my way to work. I am dropping the kiddos off with their grandparents. I'm gonna be feeling like a whole school bus because literally I have to make 2 stops and then go to work. So I have to leave like an hour and a half early just to get there on time, which is definitely nobody's fun, on top of just like running around. Okay, like I hate I hate these sort of days. It's hectic, it's crazy, but it is what it is. You make do. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. We're gonna drop Journey off with Mimi, and Juicy is going to Auntie Lynn's house where my grandmother and aunt and cousin lives, who he really hasn't seen in a while. He mentioned that yesterday, that it's been a while. So definitely a change of scenery. So y'all, I'm finna put on me some Jasmine Sullivan, Hotels. If y'all have not been listening, definitely check it out, honey. I love it. Journey been singing Pick Up Your Feelings like she a 30-year-old woman, honey, okay? So yeah, I'll check back in with you guys later. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this out because, child, I'm finna drop Juicy off and then I'm gonna be on a mad dash to get to my job in time to take my COVID test. So I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life of, child, pray for me, I'll be going through it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your girl is finna go to work. Tell them bye, Juicy. Bye. He's dry. Okay, he's just dry. So see y'all later. Bye.